Flugbloggers, Accrisoft here, Team Accrisoft with our giant 15-foot stapler. As you can see, it is fully covered. It is rolling. It is badass. It's black right now. So, tonight, Phil and I are prepping the machine for paint tomorrow. So we're going to primer it, and then we're going to put on a nice candy coat red. It's going to be cream on the outside, clean on the inside, just awesome. So, if anything cool happens today, we'll tape it. Cut that out. Do not put that in. So, let me take you on a tour of the inside. Alright, so check it out. We're going to get into the Flugblog flying stapler. So here's the front of the machine, and we go all the way to the back of the stapler. Alright, so there it is. And then we get into the back flap here. Ooh, internals. And then we step in, and then we see abyss. Nothingness. Here, I'll get up here. Anyway, so here you can see kind of, there's a hole so I can see the middle of the stapler. We have the ladder here, and side. Okay, so, this is like Blair Witch Project or whatever scary movie you want to say. So, okay, you can't see anything. I can barely see anything. There's probably a bunch of spiders in here. But, okay, so now we're looking back. There's my foot moving around. And right about there, there's going to be a big hole for my head and shoulder area. So, oh, Phil just closed the flap. I'm pretty sure I'm stuck in, so if this someday makes the internet, tell my mom I love her. So, for those of you who don't already know, the top of the stapler separates from the bottom. So you see here in the back where I just got in, I can actually lift on this, and it will separate from that whole bottom chassis wheel part. So it's pretty much just a cart on the bottom and the flying glider on the top. Now, some of you may have seen pictures of the wings attached. Those are confidential. We will find you, like Apple and its iPhone 5. But don't worry, we will be revealing it soon in Flugblog number 7, probably. This is 6. And then everybody will know. And then you should vote for Flugblog number 11 at the number, whatever I'm putting right here. So Friday, start your text, vote for Accrisoft. We're the best, of course. And we'll give you $1 million for every text. Is that okay that we do that?
Yeah, that's a good plan.
Alright, sweet. Phil's rich.